Myself, Ms. Tejasri Kosbe, lecturer from Praveen Patil Polytechnic, Bhayandar. My topic is UEE, practical number 1, learning outcomes. So in this video, you will learn about practical number 1, which is identify the different lighting accessories required for various types of lamps. The first is practical significance. So every diploma electrical engineer must know the use of light to achieve a practical or aesthetic effect. Lighting includes the use of both artificial sources like lamps and light fixtures, as well as natural illumination by capturing daylight consumption in buildings. Proper lighting can enhance performance, improve the appearance of an area, or have positive psychological effects on occupants. Second is relevant program outcomes, that is POs of these practicals, which are first is PO5. The engineer and society assess societal health, safety, legal and cultural issues and the consequent responsibilities relevant to practice in the field of electrical engineering. PO6 is environment and sustainability. Apply electrical engineering solutions also for sustainable development practices in societal and environmental content. PO7 is ethics. Apply ethical principles for commitment to professional ethics. PSO2 is electric power systems. Maintain different types of electric power systems. Third is competency and skills. So this practical is expected to develop the following skills for the industry identified competency, which is maintain different types of electrical utilities and systems. So identify and select the suitable lamp accessories and follow safe practices. Fourth is relevant course outcomes. So relevant course of this practical is maintain the functioning of different types of lamps and fittings. Fifth is practical learning outcomes. So you will learn in this practical identify the different lighting accessories required for various types of lamps. Sixth is minimum theoretical background. So first is lamp holder or tube holder. So it is used for holding a bulb or tube. Through holder, electrical connection is provided to lamp. Most of light fittings have a lamp holder. Second is ballast. So ballast regulates the current to the lamp and provides sufficient voltage to start the lamp. Third accessory is light diffuser. So light diffuser scatters light to provide softer light. In photography, this is a white surface, usually a board or umbrella, which minimizes harsh lights and unwanted shadows. There are also light shaping diffusers that homogenize and provide uniform light. Thus light is perfectly controlled, distributed and shaped to form the perfect cone. Next one is light dimmer. So light dimmer reduces the brightness of light. And fifth accessory is lamp starter. So starter starts the light. Next is practical setup. So in this practical there are some images given in this practical and you have to identify the accessories. So I have already identified which is the accessory in this image. So first is lamp holder, second LED power supply, third is ballast, ceiling lights, LED dimmer switch, fluorescent lamp starter. Next is resources required for these practicals are first is candle cup or lamp holder, second ballast, third is diffuser, fourth is dimmer, fifth is starter and sixth is screw type holder. So these are the resources which are required for this practical. Next is precautions to be followed for these practicals are first, handle the lamp with care. Second, ensure that lamp is correctly positioned on working surface. And procedure is first is collect the different lamp accessories from the laboratory. Second, identify the accessories required for various lamps. Third, draw wiring diagram for any one type of lamp. Fourth is connect the accessories as per the wiring diagram and check the operation of the lamp. So resources used with major specification, that is the resources you actually used for these practicals. So first is lamp holder, ballast, diffuser, dimmer, starter and screw type holder. Next one is observation. So you have to write the observation table. So first is name of the lamp accessories, second rating, and you have to write function of this lamp accessories. So first is holder. So function of this holder is supply connection, ballast rating 40 watt and regulates the current to the lamp, and capacitor 30 to 40 microfarad which is used to correct the power factor. Dimmer having rating 200 to 250 watt and which is used to lower the brightness. Starter has rating 70 watt 230 volt and which is used to provide an initial current to filament. Next one is wiring diagram of lamp. So you have to just draw the diagram in your manual, and next you have to just write result and conclusion in your manual, which is this practical consists of various lamp accessories with their function and rating, and conclusion is hence we have studied about different lighting accessories required for various types of lamps. Thank you.